Okay, so another option, another point we have 10.8, that is called removing document in your MongoDB. That also be done. If you want to be a remove document from your MongoDB, we are using a delete command. Okay, whenever you want to be a delete your database, that time we are using drop command. Drop is different and delete is the different. Keep in your mind, maybe people will be confused when they are going to be exam. Okay, so see right now, if you want to be removed means what, in MongoDB remove document means a deleting record from a collection. Okay, you can remove one, many, or all the documents using to the special command in the MongoDB shell. First command, what is for the delete one? We can use a delete one means what, a db dot your collection name whatever you have, then after again back delete one as a command, and what you want to be a delete, this is the condition where I have the John, that data I want to be a delete. Data means what, the collection I want to be a delete. This is the repetition are there, that's why I'm not showing to the practical. Are you getting this? All practical are present in your previous videos, check properly. That's why I put it first one as a practical and then the theory. Now after that, when you are putting this command, your one record will be a deleted where we have to the John is present. Then after many means whenever you want to be delete many, delete all documents that a match with the condition. So I said that I put over here condition where people are getting to the grade as a B. I want to delete that all records. That's why I wrote over a delete many records. Okay, so that is exactly now where the we have to the B grade, every data will be a deleted. Okay, then after remove all documents, then what happened, you just need to be write db dot student dot delete many and put it empty. When you are putting to the empty means it's considered as a we want to be delete all the documents whatever we have inside of that. Okay, now after this one drop. Okay, drop means what, drop entire collection and the your database. Whenever we want to be a delete, we are using to the drop. Whenever you want to be use only the data inside of that, then you are using delete and drop, properly understand. Okay, so this is also be done. Right now we have a something interesting that is called upsert in a MongoDB. You know what is the upsert? Upsert means update and the insert. It means if a if a student that match the collection existed means in your document, if we match the condition, then what happened, MongoDB will be a updated if it does not existed, MongoDB will be insert a new document. So that is called, we say as a app upsert. Upsert means what, if suppose I have already existing document, a condition will be the match, then it will be update, or else if it is not present, then it will be add extra. That is we call as a upsert. Okay, let's do that practically also. Okay, why use a upsert? Upsert are useful when you are not sure if the record is already existing. Okay, so MongoDB will handle a both case for you automatically. No need to check a manually. Are you getting? Simply, if suppose I am filling any record, if a record is present inside of your database, then it will be updated. Okay, and if it's not there, then what happen? It will be added extra one. Okay, so see over here, so we can add only the one data also, or we can able to update many also. So to be honestly guys, this one also we did it, right? MongoDB update one, right? So we can update using by your dollar sign set, right? If you don't if you forgot that, don't worry, we will do the practical again back. We are going over here. Let's create to the database very fast. We need to be here, say that use, okay, database name that is called school. Let's make it fast. School database, we are entering database, we switch. Right now we are making a collection. What is the how we can make the collection? db dot, then after collection, show collection, no, what is we are using? Create, yes, create, then your collection, right? Isn't it? Is it S or collections or collection? Collection, and then after inside of the bracket we are writing your collection name. Let's do it. That is called to the students. Okay, students, students. Okay, now let me go to the over here my students data, my students. I am right now inside of the student and I have the collection also are present. Okay, you can check the using by command show db show db dot collections dot find. Okay, then you can able to get that. Right now let's add the data which one they said as a upsert. Okay, so what happened right now? I don't have the data present, right? I don't have anything because I created newly. Right now what happened, if suppose this data is not present, then what happened? It is creating new one. Even I didn't written over here command that is called create. Are you getting? That is exactly the difference. What is the upset means? What upset means, if you have the this Peter data is present inside, then what happen? It will be update with this one. If not present, then what happen? It will be insert a new record. Are you getting? That is called to the upset. Let's do that simply. If you want to put, you need to use db student dot update one only. So we are updating one only. Db dot collection, isn't it collection? No, student, sorry, student, because my collection name is a student, right? Students. Then dot, I want to do what? Update one only, right? Bracket open, bracket close. Then you can go inside of that and write what is exactly your condition. Suppose my condition is name, where the name I have to the Peter is present. Okay, Peter. Are you getting? Okay, but is it we have the Peter present? No. So it will be added the extra one. Okay, let's go, comma. Then after I want to be set something. Okay, dollar sign. Okay, now I want to be set over here. What you want to be a set? Where the grades is, where the grade is, what is the grade? Grade is suppose A. Obviously we don't have the record, then it will be added only where the grade A, then again comma, no, where the grade A I have, there I want to put a age 22. Okay, now we are coming over here, and after that it's done. It's just over here, and I want to say over here one that is called, this one we didn't done, upsert. We need to be a write command upsert. Okay, then when we are writing upsert, it will be understand it's a upsert or approval. If you are not writing upsert, then it will be considered as a your update command. Are you getting? So whenever you are writing upsert, then it will be considered as a upsert command. Okay, so upsert dot, just you need to be write over here true. That's it. Okay, so why, if suppose why we are writing this upsert in the last? Because if suppose I have the present a Peter related data, then it will be update, or if it's not there, then it will be inserting, means it will be added in your database. Okay, so let me click over here OK button. Okay, syntax error, maybe I make mistake. Okay, comma is not present. Are you getting? So use up arrow. Obviously up arrow, when you're using that, messy things will be happening obviously. So we need to be just a survive using by these messy things. Okay, scroll down. Where is my over here? Scroll down. So over here I want to put to the comma is there. Right now you can use to the enter button. You can see acknowledgement true, inserting one new extra data, and it is happening what? Upserted count number one, means the data one added inside of that. It's not the modify. If a modify there, then it will be showing it's a modify, which one is the existing data we have. Okay, so that is we exactly done. Right now we added that. Okay, now let's that over here. Okay, this is they are using to the explanation. I already explained you that stuff. Right now whenever you want to be add to the multiple, obviously multiple documents we don't have, we have the empty. Just what we need to be changed over here, you need to be write as a update many instant of what we previously what we have update one. Okay, apart from you are using a one remark need improvement, means where a people can getting to the C, there we need to be a put what the needs to the improvement. But this will be a not applicable because we don't have any persons who are getting to the grade as a C, or else we need to create the data. Okay, apart from that without upset means, I said that what is difference between a normal means if you are putting to the upset and if you are not putting. See, right now over here I using to the record, I want to update the record, but